Hello student, my name is Deepak Zalte, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department, KQ Polytechnic Nashik. Today we discuss assembly to details under the subject of mechanical working drawing. Introduction, assembly to details. What is meant by detailed drawing? The detailed drawing should furnish complete information according to standard convention regarding shape and size of each individual part along with the other specification necessary for the purpose of manufacturing the parts. In general, detailed drawing describes a single part or several parts individually. For example, to manufacture a machine, individual parts comprising the machine have to be produced first, for which part drawing are needed. The detailed drawing of the separate parts are made from the assembly drawing. Then assembly drawing usually carries the following information and having following content. First, size and shape description with minimum possible number of orthographic view. Second, special section or auxiliary or pictorial view if necessary. Third, two dimension. Fourth, material. Fifth, surface finish grade. Sixth, number of part required, etc. Then step to prepare detailed drawing. Before making part drawing, the student must first read the assembly drawing carefully, visualizing shape of the individual part. To draw the detailed drawing, following step to be followed. First step is read and understand the assembly drawing with the help of list and different orthographic view of the assembly drawing. Second step, try to understand functional act of the assembly unit as a whole. This will help understand the arrangement of the part. Third step, visualize the size and shape of the individual parts. Then fourth step, choose the scale for the drawing. As far as possible, use full scale for the drawing. For small part, use enlarged scale. Fifth step, decide the number of views for each part to describe them completely. Step 6, draw the views of each part. In general, the front view must provide the maximum formation of the part. The front view is the main view. Then sequence to draw details. To draw the views of each part, under this sequence may be followed. First sequence is to draw the main center line and make outline block. Second sequence is use 2H or H pencil. Third, draw the main circle and arc with soft lead. Fourth, draw main outline and then add all internal features. Fifth, draw hatching line in the sectional view. Sixth, give the permissions and show all dimensions and all check the dimensions of a mating part. 7. Prepare the part list and add the title block. Thank you.